The simple answer to this question, what does it take for solar energy to take off and become more scalable, is very simply the cost. Right now, generating electricity from photovoltaics or solar cells costs somewhere in the neighborhood of 25 to 35 cents per kilowatt hour. It costs this much not because there's any fuel costs, of course, but because of the capital costs of installing the equipment. By contrast, generating electricity through nuclear power is on the order of 2 cents a kilowatt hour, and by coal is on the order of 5 cents a kilowatt hour. In Virginia, where I live, we pay about 8 cents per kilowatt hour for electricity. So if I wanted to install solar panels on the roof of my house, solar panels to generate electricity, the cost of that electricity would be something like 3 to 6 times the cost of what it would be buying that electricity made from some other source. So that's the biggest problem. Of course, there are other potential issues. For example, matching when the electricity is generated by the sun with when that energy is needed. Right now, that's not such a big problem because the influx of solar energy into the system is so low that adding a few solar collectors here or there, a few solar panels here or there, is not going to have a big impact on the system. The other question, of course, is area. It can take a fairly large land area in order to provide enough electricity from solar to match some of these large power plants. So those three issues are some of the big ones that are keeping solar from taking off and becoming scalable.